Oke kwera ekiama kia UDA nigo kiabekire ose kiabakiri chinkobia babwatani bae ase okonyoro bubwe ase birogo ao muri kube kiama ekyo Hassan Omar Hassan nigatebire mbachie Koaregania bari bonsi basogete kurwa ase ekiama ekyo ase boiga kwanere siasa chorogongo rwa gusi abwase atebire ne chikoba akongmono gochi ase Daktari Fred Matiang'I oyokorigeke rogo kyo barayi bwense konye ose ekiroge ekyo onyega guchikogendera gokora siasa chobugesako ase amose emiri buna ensi ya Kenya nene mono buna aesokie ase chinsemo chionsi cha Kenya no gokwana na Bakenya bonsi engakiyega akorigia oborai.
You know, like the Magarini man, that was our candidate. We asked him politely that in the spirit of building this country, let Kombe finish his 1.5 years, and then we front you. He's a very credible candidate. Don't be cheated, those are his votes. We invested in him. He lost the elections by 26 votes in the 2002 general elections. But by making a wrong decision, he has now lost by an even severe margin. But he's one person I would be so happy to welcome back. What made Panyako resign as vice chair? He resigned as vice chair to go and run under DCP. Meona leo amepost anarudi back to nursing. A good idea. Because siasa, you have to be methodical. Should have just come in as vice chair of UDA, probably tried a nomination, and you will have seen. So all these credible candidates, our candidates. By the way, if you poll some of these areas on the presidency, notwithstanding, William Ruto is unassailably ahead of any presidential candidate. So even in Malava, in Kakamega County, he's far ahead. But people are also electing on some local dynamics. So you leave UDA, you leave your nursing profession, at least you have chosen to go back to nursing. Me, I've grown. I used to be Swiper Secretary General. It's difficult to grow Kalonzo Musyoka beyond that region. Amepata kakiti yake kamoja. And he's held people captive in the quest for his ambition. Amepata kamoja huyo MATIANG'I naye amepata kwao ati hawataki kumlet down ili aweze kuja kunegotiate kwa kuwa president. Sasa wewe unajengwa na ukabila alafu sisi tuku accept kama national president. The person who's always on the social media insulting us is some young gentleman who's a member of parliament. Akatuambia you are 900,000. Sasa sisi pia tuko wingi kuliko hiyo. Unajua mimi nikialish zile community zangu. Badala ya kusema sisi ni wa Kenya, tunataka tu negotiate a national agenda. Natuambia tunataka tupige hesabu hiyo. Kama ukipiga hesabu hiyo hakuna mahali wewe jamaa ataenda. Itakuwa kama ile Nyachae tu 2002. Watu wengi kumbe ni pale Gusii Stadium. Hata sisi tutapiga kelele kumbe itakuwa hapo kwa stadium moja. Kenya ndio iko watu wengi. So, you know, these are village parties.